It is currently 7:15 in the morning, and we have about an hour until the market opens. So the plan for me is always to go outside, get some sunlight before the day starts. Let's go. All right, we're off. Feels good. All right, let's go. It is August 14th. August 14th. Ready to make some moolah. Taking a look here at the 15-minute. It's going exactly the way I wanted it to. I am still looking at puts below this low here. Yeah, I am still looking at puts below that area there. There's a possibility that we could take puts down to that area if the market opens nicely, comes up to the key level, fails the key level, and comes back down, right? If that happens, we have a beautiful entry. I strongly think we're going to open and just fly straight down to that area and possibly bounce, right? It's kind of what I think is going to happen. If that's the case, I'm not going to take it. But I think what happens when the market opens is we either come up, fail this level, come back down, or we fly straight down to this white line here, come back up, reclaim the level, and go high for the rest of the day. It looks like I'm drawing Madden plays, but still, you guys get the gist of it. Looking at this close of this candle here, it looks like we're going to do the first option, which was come back up, retest that key level, fail it possibly, then continue downside. Something exactly like what we're seeing right now. So the possibility here is that we could take this below this low. Below this low right here. That's a strong possibility. It is the first 5-minute candle, so whatever you take, you got to be extra careful about, obviously. There's a possibility for this to go against you. So if you do take something like this down to this area, then you're going to have to obviously tighten your stop a little bit. It's a risky entry. It's not necessarily perfect. So yeah. All right, let's see how we react over at this level. Here's the 2-minute, guys. So yeah, if this 2-minute fails massively, comes back down, breaks that low, I'm down for a position at the downside. Quick little scalp. Looks like right now we might be getting that break to the upside here. Morning, Max. Morning. As you guys know, I'm not going to trade in this first 5-minute candle, most likely. Unless we have that for, like, full thing plan out, I'm not going to trade here in the first 5 minutes. Calls look good, of course. Calls look really good right now. But I'm not going to trade in the first 5-minute candle. I'm not a psycho. Okay, that's a decent candle. I don't like that close, but I like the open. Strong rejecting the daily. I'll watch 542 puts here. Ooh, shoot. Okay, there we go. We got the entry. Wasn't expecting that entry to rock right there. Let's see if this has strength. First 5-minute candle, remember. 5-minute candle. This could be rocky, so careful on sizing. Because it's the first... Let's see if that can hold. Looks weak. Alright, I lied. Doesn't look weak. Doesn't look weak, but I don't like the contract movement. Not a fan of the contract movement. It's a little weak here. My God. Alright, taking a trim here. Taking a trim here at first target. 20% is when it got filled. Nice. Keep it rocking. Let's see if this thing wants to keep going. I took a heavy trim. Heavy trim taken there. Just to let everybody know. Super heavy trim taken there. I'm going to go ahead and take off a little bit more here, honestly. Stops at break even on the rest. Looks like it's gonna tap. Yeah, okay. I'm gonna go ahead and get out of the rest here. Yeah, I'm out of the rest at break even. The rest at break even. Literally a perfect scalp. Literally a perfect scalp. Honestly, it was a very weak contract movement. Very, very weak contract movement. That moved to 20% on that massive drop. There should have been like 30 or 40 on that drop, but that's okay. The reason why it was such slow movement is because we were looking to push up afterwards, which is why I got out of most of my position there. I got out of mostly everything here. My plan played out pretty much exactly the way I wanted it to. So we're gonna see what else we get for today. See what else we can get behind. This looks good. I'm up about $1,500 in the day so far. So we'll see if there's anything else that wants to come about. If so, fantastic. Got a nice little 20% trim there, which was great. Obviously, I wasn't marrying any type of bias. I was playing just off of like pure price action here. So taking a look at price action, you can see that we've rejected this level 67,000 times. So if we were to, here it is. We rejected this level 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times, right? 5 times we rejected. Remember exactly what I told you guys. If we come up, retest the level, fail the level, come back down in one candle, I'll enter. And that was exactly what happened to the T. So of course I'm going to enter. It was A+, you know? So that's why I got that entry. It was an A+ position, A+ entry. There's nothing you can really say about it other than that. So I'm happy with that. I'm not necessarily happy with the fact that we just didn't get a move today the way that I wanted. But at the end of the day, you can't control shit price action, right? Shit price action is always going to prevail. So I'm done for the day. I hope everybody has a great rest of their day. And guys, we're 100% on the week so far. I don't think we've taken any losses this week, which is fantastic. We love having 100% weeks. And yeah, for those of you who made money with me today, thank you. Appreciate you guys. Later. Of course, yeah. And here's the deal. Like, you've already made thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars since being in this program, which means that you've already gotten the ROI, which is great. But now what we need to do is we kind of need to fine tune your skills.
But like today, I mean, I gotta be honest with you. Today, I crushed it. I made something like 25K on them, and I sold them really fast because I got scared. I was like, this thing starts heading down.
All right, it is currently 9:06 in the morning and we've made $1,500 for the day. The most important thing to me is having as much freedom as I possibly can, and trading honestly allows me to do that. I can finish trading in 30 minutes and be completely done for the day and not have to get on the computer for the rest of the day. And honestly, that's just what makes me the most happy. So I made $1,500 today. Now, honestly, I have the rest of the day to just do whatever I want. So we gotta hit a workout, gotta go Lambo shopping and do some fun stuff. I'll see you guys in a little bit. Peace. Always got to turn on that autopilot. Honestly, even if I were to get another car, like let's say I get a Lambo or a Ferrari or something crazy like that, right? I think no matter what, I'm probably going to keep this car. This is just the most practical car that I've ever seen, and like, I don't have to touch the wheel. I don't have to do anything. The car just drives itself, and I'm never gonna have to drive again. I love it, but you know, bro, I gotta go full furu, man. I gotta rent the Lambo. First half of the workout is done. Second half is literally just sprints. I feel like I want to die. I don't care what it is that you are trying to be successful at. I don't care if it's trading. I don't care if it's building a business. I don't care if it's getting in shape. If you are not disciplined in every single area of your life, you are never going to make it to that success point of that one thing that you want to do. So keep yourself 100% focused, 100% disciplined on that goal, and do everything else with that exact same amount of discipline. Do the things that are extremely boring. Stop chasing parties and alcohol and like, stop it, man. That stuff is not going to work. If you take anything from this video, let that be it. I'll see you guys later.